Hey, this is Fred Lam, and listen, in this video training, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you must avoid at all costs when it comes to running your Facebook ads. Now, if you have your ads having these 5 things, it will lead into ad disapproval, and eventually you will get your ad account shut down by Facebook. So pay very close attention on this video so that you know exactly what you need to avoid. Now, before we actually get into what these 5 things are, I'm going to run another fun contest. I'm going to be giving away $100 cash if you participate in this video. I did it once. My followers absolutely loved it. So I'm actually going to do this again. So for those of you that are new to this, here's how it all works. First of all, I'm going to share with you 5 different things that you should or should not use for your Facebook ads. Now, if you guessed it right, you're going to actually score 10 points. And if you guessed it wrong, you score 0 points. And all you have to do is once you finish watching this video, share your points right in the comment box right below. Now, on top of that, it is very important that you also need to be a subscriber of my channel, and you have to be honest on what your last score is. Because this is not whoever has the highest score is going to actually win. Anyone that participate, I will randomly select an individual to simply walk away with $100 cash just to have some fun. And I will be making an announcement in the community tab right on my YouTube feed. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I announce the winner, you're going to get notified right away. And on top of that, every single Wednesday and Friday, you will get a brand new video training from me to help you build, grow, and scale your online business. So that being said, let's really dive right into our video today. What are the 5 things that you must avoid on your Facebook ad to simply making sure that you don't get disapproved and you don't get your ad account shut down? So here's ad number 1. Now, on all these are not real ads that are actually put right into the Facebook system. I'm just giving you guys examples for you to actually learn from. So this is ad number 1. This ad basically says, want to learn Facebook lead ads for free? Click here, a link, and then it says, comment to share your excitement, tag a friend who liked this, or share this to everyone. Now, for those of you that really want to learn about Facebook lead ad, I do have a full tutorial on my YouTube channel for you to actually learn this. But anyhow, this ad, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess if this ad is going to be an ad that you should run or you should avoid. All right, so the answer is you have to avoid running this ad. Now, there's nothing wrong with what I'm trying to accomplish with this ad. I can create a free tutorial and give it away, and Facebook is absolutely fine with it. And given that I still use Facebook in my ad, it is still fine. But what you must avoid on this ad are the engagements. I simply ask people to comment, to share their excitement, tag a friend who will like this, and share this to everyone. By asking for engagement, your ad will get disapproved. This is an update that Facebook had done probably around 2 years from now, or 2 years before. And ever since that, Facebook are not allowing these clickbait texts. So you're basically asking the person specifically to engage with your ad, and Facebook actually do not allow that anymore. So again, when you are going to be writing your next ad, make sure you never ask them to comment, tag a friend, or share your posts. Now, let's go into ad number 2. This is the ad. Are you feeling chubby? Get free access to our Hollywood used exercise training to melt away your unwanted fat. Get yours now. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to actually let me know if this is an ad that we can run or we should avoid. All right, so the answer to this is that you have to avoid running this ad. There are multiple violations on this ad, and I want to be very, very clear and make sure that you understand this. Number one, before and after photos are not allowed on Facebook. So if you have like wrinkle products, skincare products, or something that actually has to do with a physical appearance of a before and after, it is actually not allowed when it comes to Facebook ad. Now, the second is not that obvious, which is, are you feeling chubby? There is a specific policy right inside Facebook that you cannot explicitly create an ad that speaks to the audience. So you can't say, are you feeling chubby? Making the person on the other side of the screen thinking that you are talking to them. That is actually not allowed when it comes to advertising on Facebook. Another thing will be like, are you happy? Are you lonely? All those are not allowed. Now, on top of that, some may argue, well, Fred, this is a weight loss ad. If I make all those changes, can I still get this approved? The answer is yes. Because first of all, I did not say you're gonna lose specific pounds, and I said that this is an exercise training. So chances are, if you make all those adjustments to actually get a weight loss ad approved, it can get approved if you have your claims all taken care of. So now let's go into ad number 3. So this ad says, turn your little one into the most talked about animated character in the world. Get yours now. So this ad, what do you think? Do you think we can run this ad, or should we avoid running this ad? I'll give you 5 seconds right now. All right, the answer is you can run this ad. Now, a lot of people might think, well, you should know that obviously right now Baby Yoda is the most talked about Star Wars character right now from Disney. Now, in this ad, we did not specifically said Yoda, so we did not violate any trademark infringement. And on top of that, this is purely a craft product. It is not a product that is designed specifically to talk about Baby Yoda. So running this ad is actually going to be fine. Now, some of you guys are like, oh my God, you tricked me. I did. I definitely did trick you on this ad because obviously my title did say 5 things to avoid, and this one is actually something that you can obviously run for your ad. So now let's go into ad number 4. Ad number 4 says 50% off all bikinis, designed by Fred Lam and get the perfect beach bikini. Get yours now, here's the URL. So I'll give you 5 seconds to let me know if you think that this ad can be ran on Facebook or you must avoid it. All right, so the answer is you must avoid running these type of ads. Not because there's anything wrong with bikinis, it's because inside this ad, it is showing too much skin. Facebook do not allow you to run ads that shows too much skin. Even if you're running a male enhancement product or a product that is for fitness for a guy showing his entire six-pack, it's not allowed. Because Facebook do not allow your ad to have too much skin on your ad. And this one clearly has a lot of skin, right? It's a bikini. So for those of you that are running swimsuit or bikini ads, you gotta be a little bit creative on running those kind of products for your business, because having it on a model will get you disapproved. So now let's go into the last ad. In the last ad, it says, learn how to make $1,000 per week by simply using my simple copy and paste system. Learn how to make an income online. Learn more. I'll give you 5 seconds to let me know if this ad is going to get approved or we must avoid it. All right, the answer is you must avoid it for several reasons. First of all, you cannot say that you're going to guarantee X amount of income at a given time frame. So this one, it says $1,000 per week. Second of all, it never says how they're gonna actually make that money. And that is also not allowed. There are a lot of ads, even my ads, showing people how to build an e-commerce store online with results. That is fine because we talk specifically about a business model, which is e-commerce and dropshipping, and we never make money claim on the ad. So remember this does not just go into make money online offers or business opportunity offers. It goes with any product that makes such claim. For example, you can't say this magical bottle can lose 15 pounds in 2 days. That will get you obviously disapproved and also your ad account shut down because you specifically have a claim right in your ad. And if the person on the other side of the screen are not going to get the typical result of using your product, then that is going to be classified as a claim-based ad, and Facebook will disapprove your ad. Now, these are the top 5 things that you need to actually watch out for. But at the same time, let me know right in the comment box right below, what is your total score? Because I'm very curious to actually test your knowledge on knowing really how much you know about Facebook's ad policy. And I gotta tell you, Facebook is relentless. So if you are simply having multiple violations on your ad accounts, you will get your ad account shut down and banned from Facebook ads forever. So please make sure that you watch this video again and avoid these 5 things on your ad, and also comment right below, let me know what your score is, and once we hit the maximum participation, I will select one individual to give away $100 cash right into your account. Other than that, listen, if you have any specific training that you would like, comment right below in the video, in the comment box right below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for future trainings. And also, if this is your first time watching my video training, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go watch all the tutorials that I have. And again, I'll be releasing a new video every Wednesday and Sunday to continue to help you on your path of entrepreneurship. Now, for those of you that want to learn how to run Facebook lead ad for your business step by step to increase sales and leads, there is a link on this page or on this video that you can actually click on to watch the full tutorial right now. Other than that, remember, comment right down below. Let me know what your points is to actually enter for a chance to win $100, and I look forward on seeing you in our next video.